Hi, this is Mike Sibley, and I want to speak to you on one of the most important ingredients to ultimate success: persistence. President Calvin Coolidge gave one of the best breakdowns on the importance of persistence that I've ever heard. He said nothing in the world can take the place of persistence. Talent will not. Nothing is more common than unsuccessful people with talent. Genius will not. Unrewarded genius is almost a proverb. Education will not. The world is full of educated derelicts. Persistence and determination alone are omnipotent. To be a successful entrepreneur, you will have to pass the persistence test. Life will constantly test you for your level of persistence. Everyone wants to be a millionaire, but very few people are willing to pay the price and keep on paying the price until they achieve millionaire status. Don't be discouraged if you don't make your first $1 million after you've placed a few ads or passed out a few business cards. Take the long-range view. Stay focused on the prize. Regard the setbacks and the disappointments as tests that you must pass before you can get to the promised land. Massive success is awaiting you on the other side of persistence. Thank you, and that's all for now. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. So until next time, I will see you later. Thank you very kindly.